You can use Microsoft Excel to access data from a MySQL database using ODBC connector. With ODBC driver, you can import the data directly into an Excel spreadsheet and present it as a table. Make sure that you use matching Excel and ODBC driver. When working with Microsoft Excel, there are different ways of retrieving data from various data sources using our ODBC drivers. You can use Get and Transform to connect to MySQL from Excel with ODBC. This method assumes that you've installed an ODBC driver for MySQL. Click the data in Excel. Then expand the Get Data drop-down list. Click From Other Sources, from ODBC. In the From ODBC dialog, choose your data source name. If you haven't configured your ODBC driver yet, you can expand the Advanced Options dialog box and enter the connection string for your data source, without credentials, which are defined in the Credentials dialog box in the next step. Additionally, you can enter an SQL statement that will be executed right after establishing a connection to the data source. Click OK. If you're using a database username or password, select Database and enter your credentials in the dialog's box, then click Connect. If your database is not password protected or you've already specified your credentials in the ODBC data source settings, select Default or Custom and press Connect in the window that appears. Select the table you want to retrieve data from, and click Load. The data from the table will be displayed in an Excel spreadsheet where you can further work with it,